We're just hanging out here right now, looking at the little duckies, living their life. Enjoying life. The family hanging out together. Sorry, my bike is kind of in the way, but I'm kind of just sitting here chilling right now. Enjoying this beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Looking at nature and enjoying nature. Oh, look at them run. Oh. It's summer out there in the water. Again, sorry about my bike, guys. But I was initially just out here. I like coming out here in nature and looking at the water. I love water. And I stay not far from the beach. I like going to the beach. I like the water here. And just to listen to it. And so I like to see nature go by, the beautiful duckies, swans, geese. They all come through here all the time. So check them out. Life can be so beautiful. You just have to perceive it a certain way. With all that's going on in the world right now, look at how nature just is cool, calm, collective. They're doing their thing. They're still enjoying their life. And I think that's what we ought to be doing also. We can still research and do those things, but we must enjoy our life. We're here in this day, in this time, in this age for a reason, for a purpose. Why not enjoy it? So I hope you guys have a good day today. Again, sorry about my bike, but check out my bike. I got the old school bike, but it's new, but it's old. Old school style. Well, I'll leave you guys with this and say have a lovely, 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 wonderful day. Whichever reality you may be in, enjoy it. This is a beautiful day. Talk later, guys. Bye.